Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for your interest and support. Please hang out for a little while, check out our videos. If you are not new and you're coming back and returning, thank you so much for your continued support. I greatly appreciate that in the growth of my channel. So summer is coming up and I just want to bring you guys some motivation. I've got beautiful flowers blooming out in my front yard. I wanted to share them. I think they are so gorgeous. We're going to do some deep cleaning around the house, a little bit on the patio here, and I hope it motivates you to do so in your own home. Baby, we are broken starships, drifting here in our curves. And are you thinking about this? Are you thinking about this? Are you feeling stuck here too? And every time I think about this, every time I think about this, I get so confused, it's you. When it's coming down to what we are, I feel trouble aching in my heart. I can find it when I'm reaching for what we are, what we are, what we are. When it's coming down to what we are, I feel trouble aching in my heart. I can find it when I'm reaching for what we are, what we are, what we are. What we are, what we are, what we are. What we are, what we are, what we are. What we are, what we are, what we are. What we are, what we are, what we are. This is my husband helping me do laundry. I just wanted to take some time to introduce myself now that we've got into the cleaning video a little bit. My name is Shannon. I'm a stay-at-home mom to my little girl. She is now 5 years old. She will be starting school in the fall. And I am working on building my YouTube channel and sharing my journey with you guys. Cleaning, decorating, shopping, maybe a little bit of cooking or baking here and there. And do-it-yourself and home improvement projects from time to time. I hope each and every one of you will join me on this journey.
Gotta make it fast, right? Next to this black fire, it's just you and I now. Just make me move right. Don't stop for nothing till you're in my bloodstream. Chemicals, get 'em moving. I can feel your blood. Keep it flowing, make it one more time, and then I do it again. let you in under my skin, skin. Hey, let you in under my skin. Oh, oh. Let you in under my skin. I let you in under my skin. Oh, oh. Hey. We can do this faster. Wrap it up skin tight. Blessing or sin right. Come a little closer. Wanna feel you harder. Gotta take it further. Oh, chemicals. Get it moving. We got juxtaposed body fluids and the black fire burns. And then we do it again, again, again. Chemicals, keep moving, I can feel your blood. Keep flowing, do it one more time. And then we do it again. Let you in under my skin, skin. Hey, let you in under my skin. Oh, oh. Let you in under my skin. I let you in under my skin. Oh, oh. Hey.
Isn't it strange the way that I look at you? You can't turn away all the things that you make me do. Waiting for a sign, still just hanging around, hanging around. Isn't it strange the things that you make me do? 'Cause I'm waiting, hesitating.
I don't listen, I don't pay no mind to what everyone says. I go my own way, I walk my own line. I ask no more from you. I just want you to whisper sweet nothings in my ear. And just whisper sweet nothings in my ear. 'Cause I don't need no broken promises. I don't
all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
That is all for today's cleaning video. Until next upload, I want to thank each and every one of you for your support in the growth of my YouTube channel. I hope it continues to inspire you and bring motivation. I hope each and every one of you will consider leaving a like, subscribing, commenting, and possibly sharing. That would be awesome. And I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful day. And until next time, thank you, everyone.